Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a user. Click on settings, click admin, you can find user and access, click on users. So you can see an option called add a user, click on add a user. The rights and permission which you need to give to your user can be amended here. So once you click on income, this shows you the access to invoice and receipt. So once you tick, this means you're giving them the access and the access will be to create, view, edit. Similarly, you can see the other options which you want to give access to your users. So you need to click on administration to set the password. Also, give the customer name and the user email address. So if you don't have the user address, you can create a dummy email ID and you can input here. Later, come down, status must be active always and save. By doing this, you can create a user. I hope this will help you to create a user. Thank you.